Hi, my name is Lilian Buena. This is my presentation for my lymphatic organs. I'm starting with the tonsils and adenoids, and that's the location of the adenoids and the tonsils. Adenoids, like tonsils, help defend the body from infection. They help trap bacteria and viruses, which you breathe in through your nose, and they contain cells and antibodies of the immune system to prevent throat and lung infections. Then the lymph nodes, axillary, and that's the location. Then the appendix, and that's the location of the appendix inside the body. It's a small pouch-like sac of tissue, and it aids in immune function, and it harbors bacteria. Then here's a bone marrow. It's flexible tissue in the interior of the bones. In humans, red blood cells are produced by cores of bone marrow on the heads of the long bones, which is here, and it's called hematopoiesis. Then here's the lymph nodes, the cervical lymph nodes. They often, depending on where they swell, you can tell what kind of injury it is. And so when you have a cold or a sore throat, it usually swells under the jaw or behind the ears. And here's an image of the lymphatic vessels. That's designed to pick up the fluid that leaks into your tissues from the bloodstream and return it into the circulatory system. And then the thymus. And even though it contains glandular tissue, it's more associated with the immune system instead of the endocrine system. It serves an important role in the training and development of T lymphocytes or T cells, and it's an important type of white blood cell. Here it is. Next is the spleen. It's an organ in the upper far left part of the abdomen, and it plays multiple supporting roles in the body. For example, it acts as a filter for blood, and old red blood cells are recycled into the spleen, and platelets and white blood cells are stored there. Next is Peyer's patch, and that's where it's at right there. There are small masses of lymphatic tissues found throughout the ileum region of the small intestine. They form an important part of the immune system by monitoring intestinal bacteria populations and preventing the growth of pathogenic bacteria in the intestines. And then lastly is the lymph nodes in the groin area.